Hey guys, Stan Dale, President Florida Suncoast. Hope you're doing well. Here we are, moving into April. Got a lot of things coming up next weekend. Couple things. Let me go. April the 2nd. April the 2nd, Clearwater, St. Pete, Clearwater, Jeffs area. Let me see if I pronounce this right. La Mordida. I think La Mordida is a Peruvian Colombian restaurant on April the 2nd. Come on out and check that out. I'm gonna try to be in that area that night if I can, and sort of check out the new digs, the new dive where we're gonna hang out for a little bit. Thanks to Jeff changing it up a little bit up there. And then we go into the 6th. The 6th we have Cars and Coffee Saturday morning at BMW Sarasota. Cars and Coffee, BMW Sarasota in the morning, hang out, and then we're going over to Heidi's place for the picnic at Heidi's house. So make sure you get in RSVP, specifically RSVP for Heidi's if you're going to go there. We had a great time last year, hung out, they opened up their home to us, and so really looking forward to year number 2 there. Had just a great time, so knock that out. And then I'm going to jump forward to the 12th, Revs Institute down in Naples, Florida. That is the BMW, excuse me, not the BMW, but the Revs Institute Museum, car museum, rated number 1 in Florida, number 5 in the top 5 in the world. This is a umpteenth trip we're going there, but we see stuff, new stuff every time we go. It's just really cool. I see some new names that have never been before, and I see some names that have been back many times too. So looking forward to that on the 12th. Anthony's got that set up. And then on the 12th, let's see, I think we have, let me back up, on the 7th, Sunday the 7th, I got a little ahead of myself. Sunday the 7th, we have breakfast on Sunday at Skillets in Port Charlotte. So that's going to be John and Irwin's morning breakfast there on Sunday morning at Skillets in Port Charlotte on the 7th. Then we skip to the 12th to Revs. And then on Saturday the 13th, we have 2 Cars and Coffees going on. We have Lakeland. We have Lakeland Cars and Coffee going on, and we've got another Cars and Coffee somewhere. My mind's just gone. 13th, and then there's another Cars and Coffee on the 13th, 2 of them, and then on the 14th we're down at Naples. That's where it is, and so I'll sort of leave it right there. Let me jump ahead to April the 18th. That's a Thursday. We're heading up to Greer, South Carolina, to the MIX, and we're collecting names now. Please call me, text me, email me, and let me know if you're going to go. We're setting up the routing now, the leaving time. I'm leaving from Fort Myers at 6 a.m. on that Thursday morning, and we're meeting a group up at exit 193 off of I-75 at 7 o'clock. McDonald's off the Jacaranda. We already got several cars that are going to meet there, and then we head on up to Greer, South Carolina. Going to have a great trip up. We got dinner that night. We'll find a place to go. We've got a hotel isolated for us, and then we go do all the stuff at the Performance Center and at the BMW CCA main office for the weekend. It's going to be a blast. Last year was a blast. This year will be a blast, and it's just fun getting together and doing another long drive. So let me know if you're going. Text me, email me, send smoke signals, carrier pigeons or something, and let us know you're going. We will have a blast driving up as well. That is April the 18th, the MIX. So a lot of other things happening in the plans, the whole 9 yards. So before we get going, just let me say, for those that celebrate the Easter holiday, we're coming up on the Easter weekend. You notice we have no events planned this weekend. This is sort of a family time, or it's a reverent time. And if it's not your time to celebrate, then there's Easter eggs and what do you call those things? Marshmallow bunnies. So not to make light of it, this is an important holiday weekend for me and my family. We're going to enjoy that. From us to you, happy Easter. And as they say, happy motoring. We'll see you soon, y'all. Thanks. Bye now.